The Khasi Students' Union and Jaintia Students' Union today called for Health Minister Ambreen Lyngdaw's intervention regarding anomalies in the written examination results for staff nurse and auxiliary nurse midwife positions conducted by the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board. The examination held on September 21st was for 164 staff nurse vacancies and 78 ANM vacancies. KSU Employment Monitoring Cell Chairman Reuben Najjar expressed concerns over serious irregularities, noting that the results were declared twice on September 28th, causing confusion among candidates.
Manipulation katang melalui handrai kapan arto.
Kajungi kajungi buat Madam Ambreen kalau haluarkan ika ni kajung kendrum bagi bagi selection di staff nurse bala advertise kini tanai bala ada buat examination macam tu ni bukan aku teri buat result bala penni hawa kata kei kajung lap kajungi kalau bakal di akhir di result koi bahag kata ni bukan penni akan bagi result step buat kami ka result genuine hadirin bagi lagi di result ni bagi don kiri numbers ki bala ni biang ki bala ni RCN only the first list akan second list kunjuk ki RCN ki don ki additional list additional candidates bala